Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Etsy listing in the form of a carousel format ad for your Instagram or in a video post for your Instagram. And this was a requested video that one of my subscribers wanted me to make. So if you want to learn how to take an Etsy listing and make it into a video or maybe into the format, like I said, of a carousel photo, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget, guys, everyone, to show me some love by liking this video. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and get started. So the type of format I'm going to be showing you today is something that I've been doing lately on my Instagram as well, my Facebook. And I had a couple of you guys ask me, how did I make them? And they're very simple to do. I'm going to show you two examples. This is a video that I made using Canva that I posted on my Facebook page. So this is one type of format that you could do, which is a video. So this is type 1. And I just did like signs you need a break. And then I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is one format. It's really great for engaging. It's really great for when people want to share this. So the more engagement you get, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram, that actually helps you rank higher in the search results. And sometimes just having a static picture is not enough. Sometimes you have to do videos or change it up a little bit in your Instagram game. In my Instagram account, I actually like to do the actual photos, which is the carousel format, instead of the video. So in this one, I just did the photos. And instead of doing it in a video, you could do it in the video as well. This is a photo that when people scroll, they'll see all the different tips on depending on what subject or niche you're in. And you could do this also for your Etsy listings, which I'm going to show you how to do one today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Canva, and in the search bar up here, you could put Instagram posts. I think that's the quickest way to find it. So here we go. We're going to use this one. And from here, you have all these beautiful different layouts that you could use. Whatever resonates with you, you could start using. A lot of these are customized, meaning you could change it to your branding colors. You could change the background. You could change the font. You could change pretty much anything you want. So I'm going to go through here and see which one stands out. And I'm going to do one of my listings. Okay, I'm going to do this one here. I like this one. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to do from my store, my Etsy SEO planner. So this is the one that I'm going to promote on my Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the photos and I'm going to drag it to my desktop. And I'm going to take, well, let's do one at a time. So let's go back to Canva. And I'm going to drag the photo to Canva. See, it's very simple. It's just drag and drop. I'm going to delete the picture of the girl and I'm going to drag this photo up here. So this is going to be my main photo. I'm going to make this, the square, a little bit longer because my photo's longer. So it could kind of just match with what I'm putting up. There you go. I think I'm going to do it like that. And then I'm going to change this to my branding colors. By the way, you could save your branding colors in Canva, which is a really nice feature. And then I'm going to change this and I'm going to name it Etsy SEO Planner. And then I'm going to make the font a little bit smaller so it could be in one line. And I'm going to change this to black. Okay, I think that looks better. Boom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to brand my template in case somebody does share it and they don't give me credit. My name is already in there, which is the nice thing about doing this. So I'm gonna just name my store. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. My store name is kind of long. Nancy Marketing Tools. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So let's do 20. Yep, I like that. And then I'm going to make the font also black to kind of go with my color scheme. Boom. So we have the branding right here. We have the picture of whatever I'm promoting, which is my SEO planner. And then I have the big bold letters so people know exactly what I'm selling. So there you go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this right here and I'm going to duplicate this page. Boom. So now I have 2 pages of the same. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Etsy store and I'm going to start downloading every single picture that I created for this product. So this is the second photo. So I'm going to grab this one, drop it in my desktop, go back to Canva, and I'm going to drop it. Oops, is this one? Yeah. Drop it, upload it, and then I'm going to drag it and put it right on top of the one that we previously had there, which it took automatically. Great. Boom. So now I have the second photo. Now I'm going to duplicate this again, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to go back to, let me close this window. I'm going to go back to my listing. I'm going to drop it in here, and then I'm going to drag it to Canva. Right? I'm going to upload it. And I'm going to use this photo here. And it's going to automatically take place of the one I had before. It's going to recognize that I'm dropping a photo right there. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to repeat the same thing again. I'm going to take the next photo of my listing, which is this one. I'm going to drop it in my desktop. Go back to Canva. Drop it in here. Upload it. And then put it right on top. Boom. You see how easy that is? And then I'm going to duplicate it again, as you guys can see. And I'm going to do the last one here. This is the last photo. Drop it in my desktop. I'm going to upload it on Canva. And this is the last. I automatically always put all the photos that I have for whatever listing I'm working on. Obviously, the more photos, the better, because you're showcasing your product better. And then I'm going to go back to my listing to see if there's anything else I should add. So that was the last photo. So I have 5 photos. So that's good enough for this. So I'm going to go back to Canva. And from here, the last photo, you want to add a call to action. You want to tell the customer what to do next. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put here bio in link. Usually what that means is that if they want to go ahead and purchase this SEO planner, all they have to do is click on the bio link and they'll head over to my store to buy it. I'm going to put this, let's see, I kind of like it right here in the middle. And that's it. So there you go. I already have everything. I have the actual product and showcasing exactly what they're going to get. I have the name of the product. I have right here my branding. So I'm good to go, actually. If you guys want to add additional stuff, you can. I try to keep it very simple. Try not to add too much. Sometimes less is best. Once you're done, this is all you have to do technically. Now, all I have to do pretty much is go down up here, download, and then I'm going to select JPEG. So this is going to be for if you want to do the carousel format, which is just pictures and people just slide to the right to see them. This is the one that you're going to pick. I'm going to collect all the photos, download all of them on JPEG 100%. So just make sure it's on 100. And it's going to open a file, and this is going to be a zip folder, and these are all my files right here. So all I'm going to do is email myself these files, right? And upload them to Instagram as a post. So there goes my whole files there. If I want to make this into a video or a GIF also, but I think the GIF you have to be a member in order to do so. So just keep that in mind. But the video, I think you don't have to be because it doesn't show as extra. So let's go ahead, show more. So you'll click again on download. Here, you could select video or you could select animation. So you see how it has like a little crown? That's because you have to have the paid version to see this. And this will be the GIF. This is kind of like what I did here. This is a GIF. And it kind of like makes the picture move a little bit and the word kind of comes to you. That's the special effect on it. But you could do a video as well. So the video is fine. So you would select all, you would download it, wait a few seconds, and you would do the same. You will email yourself this video, download it to your phone, and from your phone, download it to your Instagram. I know I wish that you could publish directly from Instagram. I actually do using a program called Later. But for certain stuff, I like to do it from my phone. So this is the video here. And when you play it, it's going to automatically switch between all the different stuff that you're selling. And you could literally do this for one particular listing that you have, or you could do multiple different listings. I would do, if you do multiple listings, make sure that they're all relevant to each other. So for instance, if you sell wedding stuff, maybe the first one could be a collection of all your things, like a wedding sign, a table number, a wedding RSVP, the detail card, sitting chart. And then every single other photo is just of that one particular thing. So just an exclusive of just the wedding sign, another one of just the RSVP, another one of just the detail, another one of just the table number. And then at the end, just put the call to action saying, if you want to get this bundle, or if you want to get these for your next wedding, click bio in link, or whatever call to action, get yours today. But this is how you do it. It's very simple, guys. It's something that you could start implementing on your Instagram account. I'm always changing my Instagram account. I don't know if you guys follow me. Shout out if you do when you go to my Instagram account. But I'm always changing it to see what works, what doesn't work for me. I always try to be as creative as I can. I'm not the most creative person, so it's a struggle for me. But I try to be very creative and do different stuff. A lot of stuff is not stuff that I personally did, firsthand. A lot of stuff is inspired by other people, and I just change it to Etsy related. And then from there, I start brainstorming new ideas because of that one idea that inspired me. A lot of times, it just takes that one thing that you saw someone else do, and you're like, oh, that's kind of cool. I could take that and do it on my wedding niche. Or I could take that and do it on my vintage collection, whatever you're into, right? And kind of make it your own. That's all basically what I'm doing with my actual posts. And it's just a great way to do something different. I just started doing these and I actually like them a lot. My engagement has increased a lot by doing that. So it has been a positive for me. So let me know in the comment section if you do these or if you plan to do them. And if you have additional questions, don't forget, just leave them below and I'll be more than happy to help out. Thank you guys for watching.